Not all dangers come from distant stars or galaxies. Some of the deadliest threats orbit just above our heads. Tiny fragments, invisible to the eye, moving faster than bullets. Humanity's greatest danger may not be out there, but right here, circling our world. The timeline of cosmic fragility, quantum AI, does not stop at theories. It creates timelines, probability maps of when cosmic dangers might strike. The results shock scientists. Within the next century, humanity faces solar storms powerful enough to cripple satellites, power grids, and communications. Space debris multiplies, threatening astronauts and spacecraft. Within tens of millions of years, a nearby supernova or rogue black hole could alter the fate of Earth. The AI's models show that catastrophic events happen more often than we once believed. Within billions of years, the Milky Way and Andromeda collide. Our sun swells into a red giant, erasing the inner planets. Earth itself may be engulfed or reduced to a burned husk. Within trillions of years, the universe itself faces one of its final fates: heat death, Big Rip, or vacuum collapse. The unsettling truth is that the most fragile era is not the distant future, but now. We live in a cosmic bubble of safety, shielded by Earth's magnetic field, orbiting a stable star, resting in a relatively calm region of the galaxy. But this is temporary. The AI's maps show that safety is a razor-thin line in an ocean of threats. We exist in a brief window of cosmic balance, and windows can close. Knowledge as our shield. Faced with such overwhelming threats, it would be easy to despair. Against gamma bursts, rogue black holes, or cosmic doomsday, humanity seems powerless. What can fragile beings on a small blue planet do against the forces of the cosmos? Quantum AI's answer is paradoxical. We already possess the most powerful shield knowledge. Awareness is survival. Solar storms cannot be stopped, but with early warnings, power grids can be shut down, satellites protected, astronauts sheltered. Adaptation is resilience. Cosmic rays may be dangerous, but they also shape DNA, driving evolution. Life has always adapted to threats. Humanity can too. Exploration is protection. By spreading beyond Earth to the Moon, Mars, and beyond, we ensure that no single disaster can erase us all. Imagination is our weapon. Ideas that sound like science fiction today. Magnetic planetary shields, underground habitats, even Dyson spheres may one day become necessary reality. The AI's ultimate lesson is not that the universe is cruel. It is not. The cosmos is indifferent. But indifference is not destiny. By seeking, by learning, by daring to understand, we transform indifference into survival. As we gaze into the night sky, let us remember, silence is not safety. The void is alive with energy, chaos, and hidden threats. But with knowledge, with awareness, with courage, humanity can endure. The stars are not just our danger, they are also our destiny. The hidden bullets. Micrometeoroids and orbital debris. Not all cosmic threats come from distant galaxies or exploding stars. Some are much closer, surrounding us every second. They are small, almost invisible, but deadly. Micrometeoroids and orbital debris. Every day, Earth is struck by more than 100 tons of cosmic dust. Most of it burns harmlessly in the atmosphere, glowing as fleeting meteors, but in orbit, even the tiniest grain of dust becomes a bullet. At orbital speeds 28,000 kilometers per hour, a speck of sand has the kinetic energy of a rifle shot. Satellites have already been scarred by these impacts. The International Space Station carries protective shielding, yet astronauts have reported windows pitted by collisions with objects no larger than a paint fleck. A single fragment, too small to track, could puncture a spacecraft, tear a solar panel, or endanger a crew. Quantum AI, fed with orbital data, delivered a sobering warning: the density of debris is rising faster than we can control. Old satellites, discarded rocket stages, fragments from collisions, all spinning endlessly around Earth. The AI's models show a dangerous tipping point. If debris density continues to increase, one collision could trigger a chain reaction, creating a cascade of fragments that render low Earth orbit unusable for generations. Scientists call this nightmare the Kessler syndrome. The threat does not end with human activity. The AI also mapped natural micrometeoroid streams left behind by comets. These rivers of high-speed dust occasionally cross Earth's orbit, intensifying impacts. One such encounter could disable dozens of satellites in a single storm, blinding communications, GPS, and weather prediction worldwide. The irony is bitter. While we fear black holes and supernova, humanity may first be crippled by its own technological graveyard, fragments of our ambition turned into weapons against us. And yet, the AI reminds us, like all cosmic threats, this is not hopeless. Early warning systems, debris removal technologies, and global cooperation could turn this danger into an opportunity to prove that intelligence, human and artificial, can safeguard the fragile shell of civilization orbiting our world. Every fragment of debris is a reminder of how fragile our world truly is, but it is also a reminder of our responsibility. With knowledge, with technology, and with cooperation, humanity can turn even this danger into proof that survival is possible. The story of micrometeoroids and debris is not just about destruction. It is about whether we choose to protect the thin shell of civilization that floats above our world.